Hi, Bruno here. Playing the guitar starts by knowing how to hold it. We could skip this step and you'd probably be fine just playing the way you would. But I want to help you to avoid injuries and hard times figuring out how to play comfortably and easy. So keep watching this video, I'll make it brief. Although I think this is the best position to play the guitar, there is no correct way to do it. Guitarists have had discussed a lot about what is the best position to play the guitar. We often see people playing an instrument without any body awareness. Bent backs, tense arms, or stiff shoulders are the most common mistakes regarding posture. You need to find a way to play your guitar with ease, because in order to improve your skills, you will spend a lot of time sitting on the same chair and body position. You can sit on an armless chair or a bench and use a footstool to hold the guitar on your left leg, as you see in the picture. Classical guitarists use also other ways to lift the guitar to replace the footstool, such as this accessory. Flamenco players sit commonly with their right leg crossed over the left leg to hold the guitar. It is also very comfortable when properly done. Acoustic and electric guitar players prefer to sit in a more natural way, but it is also the one that causes more issues regarding body posture, as the guitar lies quite far from your hands and head. On this video, I'll show you what is, in my opinion, the best sitting position to play the guitar, which is to hold the guitar on your left leg. It might not be too comfortable in the beginning, but it turns out a very handy posture to play high notes and to have freedom to play different colors. On the long run, you can avoid injuries and you learn how to play relaxed and comfortably. There are no rules regarding which is the best sitting position to play guitar, but we must respect the anatomy of our body, and we all know that it is important to keep our spine and head aligned, something we listen so often recommended by physiotherapists. Pick up a comfortable seat and a footstool, grab your guitar and place it lightly over your left leg. Sit straight with your spine, shoulders and head aligned and relax your hip and arms. I advise you not to keep the head of the guitar too far from your body. It is more difficult to reach the notes on a thick string and to see what you're playing. Try it and you'll see what I mean. Something similar happens when the distance from your belly to the sound box isn't close enough. Your left hand will be too close to your shoulder, which results in limited movements, and your right hand produces an angle that might cause injuries if you play for long periods of time in this way. Even sitting straight, you want to avoid bending your left wrist outwards or inwards, as it stiffens your finger muscles and it doesn't help to move around the fretboard either. The ultimate goal is to enjoy playing the guitar, and that's only possible if you learn how to do it relaxed and comfortably. You must seek to achieve this. The majority of technical limitations comes from tension produced by an incorrect hand posture and bad habits. Let's try a simple exercise. Try to move your fingers bending your wrist down. It feels like you have no mobility, right? Or your wrist pointing up. You feel a lot of tension on your wrist. So try to keep a straight wrist to have freedom and flexibility on your fingers. I hope this lesson has helped you to choose the right sitting position for you. Be aware and respect your body. Try to practice without any tensions, and if you feel pain while practicing the guitar, please contact us. See you on the next video.